Hello.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Today we are seeing the unit 1 in differential equations. That is the first unit is the methods of integration 1. Okay. So in that, while telling the introduction, I have told what is the indefinite integral. So indefinite integral, we have the definition in your textbook. So try to follow in some cases, in the 5 marks question, they will ask what is the definition of the indefinite integral or definite integral. Okay. So we have seen already that d by dx of, if it is a sin x, we know that sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay. So here sin x is an antiderivative or an integral of x. So this sin x is called as antiderivative or an integral of cos x. Okay. So yesterday we have seen that f of x equals to, if you take sin x, then f dash of x is equals to cos x. It is equals to f of x, small f of x, and this is the capital F of x. Okay. So integration of this f of x, integration of f of x dx is equals to integration of cos x dx. So integration of cos x is sin x. So we got it is equals to, what is it? It is f dash of x. Sorry, it is f of x. So integration of f of x dx equals to capital F of x plus c, will write in the integration. C is called as a constant of integrand. Okay. And even you know that d by dx of any constant term, if you take c. So d by, that is differentiation of any constant term is 0. Okay. But integration of c into dx, any constant term is, whatever with respect of which variable you are doing the differentiation, that variable you will get. That is, it is equals to x plus c. So here both are c, you may get confusion, you can take k. Okay. So here integration of constant term is, you will take constant term outside. Else only if dx is there. Only integration of dx. So that means you have here 1 into dx. Okay. Constant term is 1 into, always will do the integration with respect to of the variable x. So integration of 1 into dx. 1 is here constant term. So with what variable you are doing the differentiation, that variable you will write. That is x plus c. Okay. So if you have here 2, integration of 2 into dx. So here we can write like this. 2 you can take outside constant and into dx. So it is equals to 2 into dx differentiation is x plus the constant of integrand. Okay. So like this, differentiation of constant term is 0, but integration of constant term is, you will get the variable with respect to what variable you are doing the integration. Okay. So here the main thing is, whenever we are doing the differentiation of any function, that function is called as the antiderivative of the given function. So whatever the you're getting as the cos x. So sin x is antiderivative of cos x, or sin x is an integral of cos x. So that is the definition of indefinite integral that is given in the sentence form. So try to by heart that one. So sometimes they will ask. So it will be 2 marks question and one small problem they will give. Okay. So yesterday I have told to see all the formulas. In page number 4, we have C. Integration of 1 into dx is x plus c. Integration of x to the power of n dx is, comparison is there. Integration of x, differentiation of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. But integration is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Sin x, here cos x is sin x is minus cos x. So these all are the important even differentiation and integration formulas are. So wherever we'll solve the problems, there we'll use all the formulas, these all. Okay. So which term is required there, we'll take that one. So instead of these 13, so I am giving some formulas here. So the proofs of these all, whatever the formulas are there, they are in your textbook. So how you are getting sin x as cos x, or cos x as sin x, or tan x as secant square x, that you have in your textbook. So other than that, for 13 formulas you write in your notebook, these are extra. So it is the integration of tan x into dx equals to minus log cos x plus c, or you have log of secant x plus c. Okay. Next, integration of cot x dx. So it is equals to log sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx. It is log of secant x plus tan x. Next, integration of cosecant x dx equals to log of, we can write shortcut like this, CSC, cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Okay. And even you have these all, even your textbook here are also there, proofs are there. Okay. These are the extra formulas. So these proofs also you have in your textbook. So if you want the proofs, you can see this from there. So integration of tan x dx is equals to 2, you can write. So somewhere you can use either this formula or this formula, that is minus log of cos x plus c, or log of secant x plus xc. And even integration of cot x dx is log of sin x plus c. And secant x dx is log of secant x plus tan x plus c. And cosecant x is log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. And even integration of sin inverse x is there, and even cos inverse x is there. Okay. So next, after this, we have the properties of integration are there. Properties of integrals. If you remember the differentiation, there also you have the properties of differentiation are there. So same similarly here, you have the properties of integrals. Only simple properties are there. So first one is properties of integrals. So that is when you have two functions, either we are adding or subtracting, then we can separate the two integrals and we can do the integration. Okay. That is integration of f plus or minus g of x into dx. So f is one function, g is another function. So when you are having combination of two functions, you can separate them like this. That is integration of f of x dx plus r minus integration of g of x dx plus c. Okay. So when at a time you are doing the integration of two terms, you can separate one function as one integral and another function as another integral. Okay, this is the first property. And second one is, that is when you have the quotient as a constant term and one variable is there, that is a into f of x into dx. So this a is here constant term and f is the function here. Then in that case, you can take out the constant term outside and you can do the differentiation, integration of the function. Okay. So these two are the properties we will use wherever solving the problems. Okay. So next, the whatever the unit is there, unit name is itself the methods of integration. Methods of integration means different methods will be there for doing the integration of the given functions. So you have almost 5 to 6 methods are there. So whenever, if you see the question, you have to identify the given whatever the function is in which method. So by which procedure we can follow to solve the problem. Okay. So first one is integration by the method of substitution. Okay. So first one is integration by the method of substitution. In that we have one formula is there, that is integration of f of g of x, g dash of x into dx is equals to integration of f of t into dt. Okay. Integration of f of g of x, g dash of x whole dx is equals to f of t dt. Here we take t as g of x and dx as, we'll take g dash of dt is equals to g dash of x dx. Okay. So we'll take t equals to g of x. If we'll do the differentiation of this one, what you'll get, t means it will be dt is equals to, we are doing the differentiation. So it is g dash of x into x differentiation is, and g of x differentiation is g dash of x into dx. Okay. Okay. So this is the formula we have one, that is integration of any function. Here you will have the two functions. So one function integration, differentiation will be present in the question. You have to identify that one. If you have combination of function and its differentiation, okay. So then you will get the answer as integration of f of this whole thing you take as t and dt. So directly we can do the integration. C will take t as g of x and dt. If you do the differentiation of this, it is dx dt equals to g dash of x into dx. So we'll see one example here. That is integration of 2x cos 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, this is the question. You have 2x is there, cos of 1 plus x square. Two functions are there here. Okay, so we can write this as cos of 1 plus x square into, you can take 2x into dx. Okay. So here, what is t? T is equals to g of x. So this is our g of x and this is this whatever 1 plus x square is there. No, this is our g of x and this is our g dash of x. So here t is equals to 1 plus x square. So then what will be dt? Dt is equals to 1. Differentiation of constant term is 0 plus x square differentiation is 2x into dx. So here in this one we can substitute integration of cos of 1 plus x square is what? T value, and 2x dx value is what? dt. Okay. So now you can write as it is equals to integration of cos This is t, and this whole part is dt. So integration of cos is sin t plus c. So, and what we have taken as t, here the t is 1 plus x square. So it is sine of 1 plus x square plus c. So this is the solution. Okay. So like this formulas, problems depending on this formula, they may ask for 5 marks question, or else this type of questions you may get even objective type also. Okay, why? Because here all the whatever the terms are there, if you know them directly, you can take it as integration of the term. So you may have the multiple choice, means 4 answers will be there in your question. You can identify the answer. So it is this type of problems you may have the chance for 5 marks, or else they may be asked for multiple choice questions also. Okay. So next we'll go to the another formula we have. So in your textbook, you have many formulas are there. Depending on those formulas, problems, examples are also given. So first unit, almost formulas and different methods are there. But this is a very important unit. Why? Because with the help of this formulas only you can be able to solve all the other unit problems. Okay. So next one is integration of f of ax plus b into dx. So this formula is 1 by a f of ax plus b plus c. Okay. So this type of problems, for this also you have the example problems are there, and after that important formula is integration of f dash of x by f of x into dx. It is equals to integration of, the solution is log f of x plus c. So this is the important one. So on this you may get the same multiple choice question, or else 5 marks problem you will get. So if we have like this example, integration of cot x dx. Okay. So integration of cot x dx means, just now I have told the formula. So directly you can write from that formula, it is the log sin x plus c. Okay. But how you got that log sin x plus c? So we can write like this. It is equals to integration of cot, means you will write it as cos by sin. Okay. Cos x by sin x into dx. See here, f of x is, our f of x is sin x. And what is f dash of x? So sin x differentiation is cos x, no? So this is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. So into dx. So what is the formula we have? Log of, what is our f of x? Sin x. So it is sin x plus c. So like this we got the whatever the formula starting I have given. Through doing this one we got the formula. Okay. So in this we are directly we are converting it in the form of f dash of x by f of x. In some problems what will happen means, you have to identify that the problem is in this form. Okay. By seeing the question you have to identify. Like this also problems will be given. See, integration of x by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay. So for doing such problems, you are not having any of formula by x by 1 plus x square in the integration. So here you have to see whether it is in this form, or before we have seen no in that form, or either in this form. So you can see that it may be converted into this form. Why? Because in the denominator 1 plus x square is there. So 1 differentiation is 0 and x square differentiation is 2x. But in the numerator only x is there, 2 is not there. Okay. So to convert it in the form of f dash of x by f of x, we have to multiply and divide it with 2. So then it will be in the form of this one. Okay. So here you write multiply and divide with 2. Okay. So now it will be integration of 1 by 2. Here 2x. So 1 plus x square into dx. So now in the denominator is f of x and numerator is f dash of x. At the side you can write, if you have any confusion, f of x equals to 1 plus x square. So f dash of x equals to 1 differentiation is 0 plus 2x. Now it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. So it is equals to, you write the constant of 1 by 2 like that only. The formula is log of 1 plus x square plus c. Okay. So like this, on this also same, you may have 5 marks or 1 for the multiple choice question you may get. So by seeing the question, you have to identify that one and you have to choose the answer. Okay. So after that, so formulas are there. These formulas are important. Try to write in your notebook these all formulas. So we are seeing the integration by the method of page number 9. So these all you may get even for the objective type of questions also. Page number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So these you may get for the multiple choice question, and also wherever in the problem these are useful means you can identify them. And even after that, page number 10. So whatever the formulas just now I have given, those formulas proofs are there in this evaluation of integrals of trigonometric functions, tan x, cot x, secant x, and cosecant x. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if is asking in the examination integration of tan x dx, you can write in this conversion, and you can, from the second formula, just now we have seen the integration of f dash of x by f of x. Through that formula, these proofs are there. Okay. So up to page number 11, fourth one. So depending on these formulas only, example problems are there. Okay. Try to practice those all example problems. Next, we are going to integration using trigonometric identities. That is the first one is the substitution we have seen. So we'll substitute any term as a t and then we'll do the integration. That is the first one. Second one is integration using trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities means here you already in 10th class you have seen the formulas, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Or else what is sine 2 theta, what is cos 2 theta, what is sine 3 theta, what is cos 3 theta, tan 2 theta, and sine 2 theta formulas. Okay, these all are called as a trigonometric identities. So by using these trigonometric identities, how we can solve the integration, that is the B part. So you have in 13 page number. So that is the integration using trigonometric identities. Okay. So in that, we are seeing one problem, that is integration of cos cube x dx. Integration of cos cube x dx. Okay. So if you see the integration formulas, in that cos cube x dx formula is not there. Okay. So cos x is there. Even cos 2x also will be there. Okay. Cos 2x or sin 2x you may have, but cos cube or cos square x or sin square x or sin cube x formulas are not there in the integration. So you have to convert this whatever the function is there in such a way that we can do the direct integration. So that's why it is called as a integration by using the trigonometric identities. So if you'll see the formula, cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos square x minus 3 cos x, and even you write the sin 3x formula also. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Just inverse will be there. Okay. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x is this one, cos 3x is this one. Okay. So from this we need cos cube x dx. Okay. So here we can write 4 cos cube x is equals to, if it will go that side, minus cos 3x minus 3 cos x. So it is equals to minus, if you take common, it is cos 3x minus plus 3 cos x by, that is cos cube x is by 4 we can take. Okay. So if it will come here means it will be minus, no? So minus 4 cos cube x of this one. So this minus and this minus both will get cancelled. So cos cube x is equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. So from this formula we are converting this one. So in our problem only cos cube of x is there. So cos cube of x we can write it as, so cos cube x dx equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x. You can write here 1/4 by 4. Okay. And even you take 1/4 outside also. Why? Because it is a constant term, no? Into dx. Okay. So at the side, at the rough side, you write this one, whole thing. So from where we got this one? So this at the solution you write this one, and at the side you write from which identity we are using this one. So it is 1/4 your constant term you are taking outside, and integration of cos 3x plus 3 cos x of dx. So it is equals to 1/4, and integration of cos x is sin x. But here 3x is there, so we can write it as sin 3x by whatever the quotient is there, that quotient you write in the denominator. And here only you see one formula. So here down I am writing. So if it is d by dx of cos 2x is there means, okay, d by dx differentiation I am telling, d by dx of cos 2x means we'll write it as minus 2 sin 2x. Okay. Why? Because cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So here minus whatever the, this is there sin 2x. Here 2x differentiation is 2. That's why you are writing the quotient here. So whatever the quotient other than, if you think here, see d by dx of cos x is there. So what you'll write, cos x is minus sin x. Actually we'll do one more time differentiation. So x differentiation is what? 1. So here it is 1. But so to our convenient, what we'll do is 1 into multiply. If you'll multiply that, you will get the same minus sin x. That's why wherever the quotient is x, we'll not do one more time differentiation. But other than 1, if we have 2, 3, 4, 5 or nth term or anything, then other than x, if you have here any quotient, then you have to do the differentiation of that quotient also. So 2x differentiation is here 2. But in integration, the formula is, we'll write in the denominator. Okay. Okay, here understood? Cos 3x, its integration is sin 3x. We'll write the whatever the quotient is there, that in the denominator in integration. Here you'll write it as a quotient. In the multiplication part we'll write, here in the division part we'll write. So that is the difference between differentiation and also integration. So try to compare the formulas. So in differentiation, what is the formula? In integration, what is the formula? Okay. So cos 3x is sin 3x, and 3x integrate, whatever we'll do the differentiation of this 3x is 3 by 3. Okay. So plus, so 3 you keep it as a constant, and cos x integration is sin x plus. Okay. So if you want, you can multiply with 1/4. It is sin 3x by 4 3s are 12 plus 3 sin x You can write by 4 like this, 3 by 4 sin x plus c. So this is the solution of the problem. So like this, we have to do the, when using the trigonometric identities also, we can solve the integration of the given functions. This is one example. You may have sine square x or cos square x or even sine, you know the formulas, I think so. Sine 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Once if you go through the 10th class or intermediate textbooks, you will get all the trigonometric identities. What is sine 2x? What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is two formulas are there. So write them at the side of your solutions, all the trigonometric identities. So cos 2x is
जी क्योंकि 10 के लीडर होने का है
क्या है?
तो इन लोग का हुआ ना 10 तक
किससे बात कर रहे हैं?
हमारे भान
cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 and another one is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, write these formulas wherever they are useful, try to use them. Okay, so sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, sin 3x cos 3x. We have formula next. Cos 2x, we have two formulas are there. Wherever you need this one, you can use that one. So that means if you want to find the integration of cos square x, you can use this formula. If you are finding integration of sin square x, you can use the second formula. Okay. So next, go to another method.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ఇప్పుడు cos 3x కి మీరు 4 cos cube x చేశారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం ని ఇంకో విధంగా కూడా చేస్తే ఇంకో సొల్యూషన్ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్. అప్పుడు ఏ సొల్యూషన్ కరెక్ట్ అంటారు? ఇప్పుడు
మనకు ఐడెంటిటీ మాత్రం ఇదే యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా మనము. cos cube x ఇంకేం మెథడ్ లో వేస్తావు?
cos x into cos square x గా చేసుకొని cos square x ని 1 minus sin square x గా చేసుకొని చేస్తాం కదా.
cos square x into cos x అప్పుడు అది uv రూల్ అయిపోతుంది కదా.
అదే మ్యామ్, దాన్ని టీలో టీగా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకొని.
అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ మనకి అలా యూజ్ చేస్తే కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అయిపోతుంది ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు cos square x ని నువ్వు u అనుకుంటావు, cos x ని v అనుకుంటావు. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ uv ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి చేసావు అనుకో, సో యూ మే గెట్ ద సొల్యూషన్. అంటే తొందరగా రాదు కదా, మనకి రెండు కాస్ట్ టర్మ్స్ ఏ ఉన్నాయి.
అంటే cos square x ని 1 minus sin square x గా చేసుకొని
1 minus sin square x తీసుకుంటావు. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, cos తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే cos x
minus cos x sin square x వస్తుంది.
మళ్ళీ అది మళ్ళీ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్ అవుతాయి కదా.
అంటే అట్లా కూడా చేయొచ్చు కదా.
చేయొచ్చు, కానీ చెప్తున్నాను కదా, నీకు ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ రాదు. సో మధ్యలో స్ట్రక్ అయిపోతావు నువ్వు. ఇదేంటి, మనం డైరెక్ట్ ఐడెంటిటీ తీసుకో, విత్ ఇన్ 3 steps అయిపోయింది కదా మనకి సొల్యూషన్. ఓకే, సో అవన్నీ లెంతీ ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటాయి అని మనకి కొన్ని మెథడ్స్ పెట్టారనమాట. ఓకే, సో యూజింగ్ దీస్ మెథడ్స్ వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఈజీలీ, సొల్యూషన్ ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ యూజింగ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్. సో మీకు 13th పేజ్ నెంబర్ లో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. అండ్ ఈవెన్ చెక్ యువర్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఆల్సో దేర్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఐ హావ్ టోల్డ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ 4th ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ చెక్ యువర్ ప్రోగ్రెస్. cos cube x dx. Okay, so next C method is integration of algebraic functions of special forms using trigonometric substitution. So ఇందులో these all formulas are there. So ఇంత ముందు మనం ఎలా అయితే sin x cos x tan x we formulas చూసామో, సేమ్ హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ with the help of the algebraic functions formulas are there. So మనకి ఈ formulas we'll use in solving the problems. Only in some rare cases they will ask direct. ఇవన్నీ formulas actually formulas proofs అన్నమాట. So depending on that మనకి multiple choice questions, objective type questions మాత్రమే వస్తాయి ఈ formulas తోని. So but you have to remember which formula is suitable for which problem. So directly మనకు ఆ formula తెలిస్తే ఏది a value, ఏది x value, and if you know, you can, if you substitute in the formula, you will get the given option in the question. Okay, so these 14th page number examples are there, no, 18, 19, 20, And even 21, we have 22, 23, up to 23 and 25. 25 is also one of the formula. So these all formulas you write at a, so for formulas you leave 2 pages. First you write all the integration formulas. So if first page number nundi 16th page number varki evaithe formulas unnayo avanni oka daggara raskondi. Okay? Yes.
Can you please speak in English?
What ma?
Can you please speak in English?
Yeah, okay. Okay, so from page number starting of the methods of integration, whatever the formulas are there for the integration. So try to write the differentiation formulas at 1 page, and after that you write all the integration formulas. Okay, just now we have seen tan x, secant x, cot x, even that also. After that formulas, that is integration of f dash of x by f of x, and also f of g of x, g dash of x also we have seen, no? That formulas try to write. And for solving the problems, try to see them, which formula is suitable for solving which problem. Okay, so that is main important in integration. Next, see, try to write these 14, 15, 16 page number, all the formulas. Okay, these are the proofs of the formulas. So they may ask direct formula as a multiple choice question, or you may get in the anywhere. Okay, so depending on these formulas, 1.3.24 problem is there. Okay, by substituting x equals to 2 by 3 sin theta and dx equals to 2. How you got that one? So directly also we can do this one, or else through this solution you can solve. Okay, so try to practice all these. In this only formulas are there, C method, and after that we have integration of certain algebraic functions of special forms by substitution is there. So this is also, so in these type of problems almost rarely they will ask. So after that we have the integration by parts. This is the very important one. So if you remember, in differentiation, UV rule will be there. If you have idea, UV rule is what? D by dx of UV equals to U. That is you. If you are doing the product of 2 functions. So no formula we are having in the differentiation or integration for solving or for doing the integration at a time 2 functions. So for that we have one rule is there. So that rule we have in differentiation is d by dx of uv is equals to u into d by dx of v. That is one term you are taking constant, and we are doing the differentiation of second term. Next, second term constant and differentiation of the first term. This is the, even it is called as product rule. Okay, so but in integration we call it as integration by parts. By parts. Okay, integration by parts means integration of f of x into g of x, or you can take this as u and this as v. So it is equals to, so here we'll do the integration of one term. That is one term will take constant. That is f of x into integration of g of x into dx minus integration of f dash of x into integration of g of x, this whole thing into dx. Okay, this is the formula. If you take in u, this is u into integration of v dx minus integration of u dash into integration of v of x dx, then whole dx. So here also this is whole dx. You may get confusion, 2 brackets like this. Okay, so you can use in uv form or f of x, g of x. So one first term you take as constant and you do the integration of second term. That is g of x dx minus, first is we'll do the differentiation of the f of x. This is whole integral. Okay, for the whole integral, in that inside you have f dash of x into integration of g of x. G of x you are doing the integration. When you will get these 2 terms, again you have to do the integration of those two terms. Okay, that's why choosing of u and v in the given problem is important. Okay, so if you choose the cos x and e power x, means there will be cos x and e power x, means e power x. If you do the integration or differentiation, you will get the same term. Okay, so in some cases at the second steps only the solution will be stopped. In some cases, if you do going on doing that one, it will be going very lengthy process. So for that, we have to choose the term which one is u and which one is v. So the given problem you may have in different form. So you have to choose the v value in such that it will be decreased. If it is decreased means there the integration part will stop. Okay. So that's why you try to choose the u and v values by seeing the formula. Okay. So if you think f of x is sin x means is here sin x, integration of e power x is e power x only. So it will stop here. After that minus sin x is what? Sin x differentiation is cos x into e power x. So cos x into e power x means again two functions we got. So again we have to do one more time. So that's one more time means again this formula we have to apply. Okay. So at somewhere it will stop and that is the solution of the problem. So you will have very simple problems on this. So this is for only 5 marks question you will get. So in your textbook, example problem you have for x into e power x. So x and e power x means they will be stopped there only, and you for the only within the 2 steps you will get the answer. See, x into integration of e power x into dx. So this is f and this is g. So x into integration of e power x into dx minus integration of, what is x differentiation? X differentiation is 1. So 1 into integration of e power x dx into whole dx plus c. Okay, this is our formula. So it is equals to x into e power x integration is e power x only minus. So 1 into integration of e power x is e power x only. So e power x into dx plus c. So it is x into e power x. Again integration of e power x is e power x only. So this is our solution. Either you can write like this, e power x you can take common, x minus 1 plus. Okay. So in such problems, if you choose x as a f, what will happen means it will be decreasing. Differentiation x power will be decreasing. In integration x power will be increasing. That's why x you should not choose for integration. If you think in the given problem you have e power x into x, then you can interchange this one. You can take this as f and this as g. So nothing will happen. Okay. So you have to see that integration, it should not go on increasing value. It should not be there increasing value. Okay. Next we'll see one more example. It is x into log x is there. X into log x. X into log x into dx. Okay. See here, if you take this as f and this as g, what will happen means f it will be decreasing. G what will happen? Integration of log x is 1 by x. Okay, integration of log x is 1 by x. So in our first term, if you do directly like this, x into integration of, sorry, integration of log x is not there, no? Integration of 1 by x will be there. See here. Integration of 1 by x dx is log x. And differentiation by dx of log x. One by x. Okay. So we are not having the formula for integration of this one.
Numbers book.
Integration of log x dx, we are not having the formula. Integration of 1 by x dx is there. So that's why here you interchange
Should
these
open
two.
this.
You can take log x this side and x that side. So we can convert it as it is equals to log x into dx. Log x in differentiation is there. So if you take this as f, what will happen? Differentiation is there. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. But we are not having integration of log of x. That's why you interchange this as this and this as this one. Okay. Now apply the formula here. This is f and this is g. So it is equals to f you keep constant term, that is log x into integration of x into dx minus integration of log x differentiation is
అక్కడ చూడు డాడీ ల్యాప్టాప్ దగ్గర
1 by x into integration of g, no, g is x into dx next whole dx plus c. Okay, so it is log x, x integration is x square by 2 minus integration of 1 by x into x integration is x square by 2 into dx plus c. So it is equals to x square by 2 log x minus this x and will get cancel. So it is x by 2. X by 2 means into dx plus c. Even we can write it as x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 you take outside, that is integration of x dx plus c. Okay, so I am writing here. So what is x differentiation? Again x square by 2. That means x square by 2 log x.
Hey, అదన్నీ బుక్ అది కాదు ఇది
minus
తీసేసుకో చిన్ను. అరే చెల్లి దగ్గర బుక్ తీసేసుకో.
plus c. Okay, this is the solution of the problem.
రాసి ఇదిగో నీకు.
So why I have told the concept to interchange f and g, because
పెన్సిల్
for
దొరికిందా?
some functions you may have trigonometry, that is the integration formulas, or you may not have. So for which functions we are not having the formulas in the integration, you convert them as for the differentiation. Okay, so log x integration is not there, so you take it as f. Yes, who is that? Please mute your phone. So whichever function you are unable to get the formula for the integration, you convert it into differentiation, and differentiation one you convert it into integration. So like this you can interchange and you can solve the problem. Okay, so this is the procedure for solving the integration by parts. So 1 5 marks problem you will get here, and you see the examples in your textbook. You are having many examples are there. Even check your progress are also there. I have told the check your progress 8th problem. This is next. We have integration of inverse trigonometric functions. So just now I have told I have given the formulas. No, that formulas are only there. So I have told no, try to write the formulas in one page. These are also formulas only. So page number 25, 26, 27. So on that you have the example problems are there. Next, last one, important one. In this I have told no 10 marks problem. That is the integration by partial fractions method. This is the 10 marks problem. You will get 5 marks problems are before problems, whatever we have seen. From that you will get 1 5 marks problem and 2 multiple choice questions. Okay. Next one is integration by partial fraction method. In this we have the concept of what is proper fraction and what is the improper fraction. So depending on that you have page number 29. So one box is given, no, table 1. This table 1 is important one. So how to split the proper fraction? When in the denominator terms are there, no roots are there, px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b means we'll write it in the form of a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Okay, so depending on these 5 different forms, you may have the problems on this. So by seeing this one, you have to split the given whatever the rational function is there, that into partial fraction like this. After that, you have to do the integration. Okay, so this table is very important. So we'll see one problem on partial fractions, which is the 10 marks one. Okay, so try to remember if degree of, so the actually the given problem will be in the form of integration of p of x by q of x. So this will be in the form of either integration or like this, p of x in the numerator and q of x in the denominator, p by q form. Okay, so in this, if degree of p of x is less than degree of q of x, we call it as proper fraction. Okay, if degree of p of x is greater than degree of q of x, we call it as improper fraction. Okay, so try to remember this one. So by seeing the question, we have to identify whether it is a proper or improper fraction. So we'll see one problem, that is the integration of x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx. See here, degree, what is the degree of the numerator? It is 1. For only one x is there, so it has power 1. In the denominator, if you multiply these two, 1 plus 2, 3. So in the numerator, you have 1. In the denominator, you have 3. So p of x is less than degree of q of x. So this is a proper fraction. Okay, you can write the integrand is a proper fraction. Okay, proper rational function. It is a proper rational function. Okay, after that, so it can be expressed into, partial fraction. Okay, so in between you write the, now integration you keep like that only. On this part you first to do the solution, that is x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, so if you see from the table, whenever it is in the form of fifth one, so what it is there, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so here we have x square plus bx plus c is not there, so just it is in the form of x minus a into x square plus bx plus c. Here also in the numerator c term is not there, in the denominator also c term is not there, constant term is there but x term is not there. So whenever if you have x minus 1 x plus 1, we can use the first form. Okay, so if you have whole square, you can use the second form. If we have 3 different terms, then we can use the third one. Okay, so different forms are there. Here we are using the fifth form. Okay, so it is equals to a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by this one. x square plus 1. Okay. Now you do the cross multiplication. You will get it as a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1 by x minus 1 x square plus 1. You are able to see that, no? So we can cancel out this denominator and this denominator. So when you compare the coefficients of the like terms on both sides, you can take out these two and only numerator terms you can take. Okay. Equating the coefficients of, so we can take x plus 3 is equals to, you multiply this will be very easy one, ax square plus a plus bx plus c of whole. So bx into x is x square minus bx plus cx minus c. Okay. Again, you can simplify this as only x square you take outside. So a plus b. This up till here you can see. Okay. Plus x term you take out. So x term if you take out, it is c minus b, and last constant term is plus a minus c. Okay. So first you write in the order of the powers. First x square, then x, then the constant terms. Here x plus 3. Now you write, compare the like terms. Compare the quotients of like terms on both sides. Okay. So here only one x term is only there. But here we have x square is there. So we can write a plus b is equals to 0. Why? Because x square term is not there, means its quotient is 0 here. Next one is c minus b is equals to, here what is the quotient? 1 is the quotient. Okay. And last one a minus c. A minus c constant term is equals to 3. So you can write first equation, second equation, third equation. Okay. So from first one, or you can write here only, a is equals to what value? Minus b. Okay. So this you can substitute in 3, no? So a is minus b means what you will get? You write like this, and this is 1. Okay. Substitute 1 in 3. So a value is minus b. So it is minus b minus c equals to 3. So if we'll take out minus common, b plus c is equals to 3. Okay. You can take this as 4. Now BC and BC, second or the second and fourth we have. So solving 2 and 4. So what is 2? 2 is c minus b equals to 1. Or else if you keep like this only, what will happen? Minus c minus b equals to 3. Okay. So don't get confusion. So you can keep like this only. For our convenience, here directly we can substitute. So you write this 4. Okay. So c minus b equals to 1. Here minus c minus b equals to 3. Okay. So now adding. So this term both will get cancelled. So this is plus and plus. It is 2c equals to 3 plus 1 is 4, implies c is equals to 4 by 2, no? So it is equals to 2. We got c value as 2. So if you substitute in 4, what will happen? Substitute c in 4. So minus b minus 2 equals to 3, minus b equals to 3. If it will go that side, it is 2. That is b equals to minus 5.
Madam, minus 5 ma'am. అక్కడ +3 ఉంది, -3 అవుతుంది కదా.
C equals to -1. We have done correct only, no? C minus B equals to 1. That is the last term. So we have minus C minus B equals to 3. And minus will get cancelled. C plus C is 2. So C value is 2. B plus 1, 4. Actually, here we got a C value as -1. Okay, we'll see. Minus B equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. B equals to -1. So, if B is -1 means 5. 5 plus 2, we need 7. So, somewhere it went wrong. So, first relation is correct only. A plus B equals to C. A equals to minus B. Next, minus B plus C equals to 1. A minus C equals to 3. So A is equals to minus B. If we substitute here, minus B minus C equals to 3. So 4 and 2 we have done.
అక్కడ -B ప్లస్ -B అనేది -2B అవుతుంది కదా.
ఏంటమ్మా?
-B ప్లస్ -B అనేది -2B అవుతుంది కదా మేడం.
-2B అవుతుంది కదా. -2B = 4.
ఇక్కడ
-B క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది మేడం. అప్పుడు -2B = 4.
C minus B equals to 1. Minus B minus C. Okay. So this is plus. Minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. Here plus will become minus. So what you will get? 2C equals to
-2.
-2. So C equals to -1. So if we substitute C in 4. So minus B plus 1 equals to 3. Minus B equals to 3 minus 1 and 2. B equals to -2. Okay. Now substitute in 1. Substitute B in 1. Then what you will get? A is equals to -2. Minus of minus and +2. So A value is 2. You can write here. So therefore A is equals to 2. B equals to -2. C equals to -1. So X in the question X plus 3 by X minus 1. X square plus 1. So what is our A value? A value is 2. 2 by X minus 1. So plus BX. BX means minus 2X minus C. C value is 1. Sorry, okay. This is BX plus C, no. So B value is -2X minus 1 divided by X square plus 1. Okay. Now you substitute this value for the integration of that one. So integration of X plus 3 by X minus 1 into dx is equals to integration of 2 by X minus 1 plus minus 2X minus 1 by X square plus 1 into dx. Okay. So now this one is easy. It is in the form of 1 by X. But here you have to convert this one minus 2X minus 1 as in the form of in minus negative manam తీసుకొని ఇలా రాయొచ్చా 2 by you separate this one plus if you take out minus common by X square plus 1 into dx. Okay, this part is in it. This part only you have to convert. So it is equals to integration of 2 by X minus 1 into dx. Minus you take out inside. So it is 2X plus 1 by X square plus 1 into dx plus C. Okay. So again it is integration of 2 by x minus 1 into dx minus 2x by x square plus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 by x square plus 1 into dx plus c. You are splitting this one numerator, okay? You are writing 2x by x square plus 1. Again, if you will do the addition of those two, you will get the same term, okay? So what is here numerator, you have the constant term is there. You can take 2 into 1 by x minus 1 into dx minus 2x by x square plus 1 into dx minus integration of 1 by, you can write this one as 1 plus x square into dx plus c. Okay. So it is in the form of 1 by x. So 1 by x integration is log x. That means it is 2 log of x minus 1. Okay. And again, x differentiation is 1. That's why we are not writing anything. Because in place of x, if we have 2x, then you have to write into 2. Okay. Minus, if you see this one, just now we have seen the formula. F dash of x by f of x. X square differentiation is 2x. 1 differentiation is 0. So it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. So its formula is minus log of x square plus 1. Okay. Next, if you remember this one, in the 4th page number, you have the formulas. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Okay. So the formula of this one is tan inverse x plus c. Okay. So like this, you have to solve the integration by partial fractions method. So if you know the formulas here, see, this is 1 by x. This is one formula. This is f dash of x by f of x, second formula. And this is a 1 by x square. It is the standard formula. That is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is always tan inverse x only. Okay. So this is the procedure to solve the partial fractions. So you have example problems in page number 29 and 30 and 31. 13th problem I have told, this is the check your progress problem, it is there. So this is the 10 marks problem we have covered, and also 5 marks problems also we have seen. Next we have integration by the method of successive reduction is there. So this is also important one. They may ask the formulas or else they will ask for the 5 marks question. So reduction formulas proofs are there in your textbook, but in the examination they will not ask the proofs. Only we need the formulas. If you remember the formulas, you can solve the problems. So unit 1 is very vast one. Why? Because in this many formulas are there, proofs are there, but these, whatever the formulas are there, these are the base for the whole book. If you know these formulas, then only we can solve all the different method problems. Integration by method of successive reduction. So try to see the formulas. First one is integration of e4x dx is equals to x to the power of n e to the power of ax by a minus n by a I n minus 1. Okay. For if it is x will be there, two functions at a time, x to the power of n into e to the power of ax. If such problem is there, the formula is this one. And if you have integration of sine to the power of nx dx, it is minus sine by n plus n minus 1 into n into I minus 2. Next, it is cos n to the power of x dx, cos plus n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. Okay. So through these formulas only we will find the problems. Case 1 is if n is even. Starting we will end up with. So these all formulas you have in your textbook. I naught equals to integration of sine to the power of x dx equals to 1. That is, you will get it as 1 into dx plus c. It is equals to x plus c. Okay. Next is second case is if n is odd. That means the power here you may have 3, 5, 7 like that. Okay. If it is odd means you will have I1 is equals to integration of sin x dx equals to cos x plus c. Okay. So if you know these formulas, we can solve the problems on cos square x cos to the power of 4x or cos to the power of 6x or cos to the power of 8x or cos cube x 5 cos to the power of 5x or 7x, even tan also you will have. Okay. So these formulas are important. So tomorrow, depending on these formulas, we'll see the problems and we'll go to the second unit. Second unit almost only again same formulas are there. Third unit is the important. It is the 10 marks question. Okay. So tomorrow we may try to complete even the third unit also. Okay. Bye students. So try to practice all the problems, whatever I have told. See the example problems also.